Hi people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're returning, you know what it is, you're the real MVP. And if today is the first time you're seeing any of my videos, thank you so much, I appreciate it. I lost my voice a few days ago because I was excited and I kept screaming, and if you hear my voice crack or anything, it's okay, just watch what I'm doing. In today's video, I am doing something that I wanted to do for a long time, which is roller sets or perm sets, if that's what you call it. I'm also going to be using my all-time fave products from Design Essentials. I'm going to be using products from the African Chebe Growth Collection line. I'm going to focus on using the mousse to do my curl sets. I'm in need of serious moisture. My ends. So the first thing I have to do is detangle before I shampoo. So let's pre-poo. I spray my hair with water first. This makes it easy to manipulate. Then I go in with the Herbal Pre-Wash Intense Repair Mask. Infused with natural chebe powder, this instantly helps repair and nourish my hair. It minimizes breakage and improves porosity as well. Can I also add that it smells divine? Immediately makes my hair soft and easy to detangle. The Herbal mask also lifts the hair cuticle and deposits nutrients essential to strengthening hair. I also steam my hair for 20 minutes while this is in and then rinse off. Then I wash my hair with the Anti-Breakage Moisture Retention Shampoo. The shampoo lathered so quickly and it gently cleansed my scalp as well. The fact that it removed the Chebe mask granules without stripping my hair of its natural oils. Next is the Anti-Breakage Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. This definitely hydrated and nourished my coil. Look at how easy it is to detangle and comb my hair, with no breakage in sight. I put my hair in braids to stretch it a little. Time to style with the Strengthening and Curl Perfecting Mousse. I did 3 pumps for each section of hair. So I started on semi-dry hair because I didn't want my hair to shrink too much. Yo, this mousse is so lightweight. Oh my goodness. I love that it also locks in moisture while simultaneously defining my coils. The curling method I used was to make sure my ends were very flat on the rollers. While I was curling upwards, I was stretching my hair just a little bit. By the time I got to the roots of my hair, I twisted the rollers twice and then I just locked it in. By the next morning, I oiled my hands and I started to take down the rollers. And boy was I shook! Oh my goodness! So next step was to fluff it out. I made sure I divided each coil into 3. Yo, even the shine! Fluffing it out with a hair pick to give it more volume because I want it to be a bit bigger. Design Essentials weren't playing when they said this African Chebe line was all about nourishing coils. And I also put my hair in an updo because I just wanted like a soft look. I'm in love with my hair and Design Essentials. The mousse even gives my hair a little bit of hold, but there's still movement. I just want to vamp my look a little bit by trying this beautiful scarf that Design Essentials sent me. Okay, I am ready to go. I know what you're thinking. You're like, where can I find this African Chebe Growth Collection line? They're sold at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, HEB, and of course they're sold at designessentials.com. So there you go get yours, sis. This video and this hair routine was extra special to me and I'm so glad you stayed and watched it all through. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Please don't forget to actually like this video, like press that button to like. Don't forget to subscribe because it's me, thank you. And don't forget to press the bell notification so you get a ding every time I post a new video. And like my Hausa people will say, Nagode.